Hey guys, this is your host Adnan from the Qatin channel and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my upload schedule is a bit not good, but I'll be unboxing the AirPods Pro today. These are one of the best in kind and they are the most expensive AirPods till date. You might want to look in a different kind if you don't have Apple with you or if you're not in an Apple ecosystem already. But if you have an Apple iPhone or a MacBook or an iPad, definitely recommend these ones. They are superb and as Apple tells in the marketing, magical. Okay, it was hard to open the box, I don't know why. Nothing there inside. Keeping the suspense on, I will take out all this stuff before showing you. And there is that. Is that ear tips? Oh yeah, I forgot. You don't get ear tips with the previous generations. So I'm sorry, not my problem. Oh yeah, in these ear tips you get two types, small and large. The medium ones are there with the AirPods, like already in the AirPods. So I'm not sure why they did that, but fine. You get the USB-C to Lightning and done. Now I bring you the designed by Apple in California paperwork. Oh my god, these paperworks are annoying. Even in the $700 wheels they give you paperwork on how to put in the wheels, man. Come on Apple, it's annoying. Oh yeah, there are three kinds of noise cancelling, I can say. And yes, it can charge wirelessly. Yes, I repeat, it can charge wirelessly without a wire. But Apple does not support that feature yet, reverse wireless charging. I don't know why they want you to charge wirelessly. These are the normal AirPods or Apple paperwork, which I always hate. And no, there were no Apple stickers this time. I'm not happy Apple. I want those Apple stickers. I really need them. And here comes the AirPods. My god, why do I always fail that ASMR? I always wanted to make some ASMR videos, but nah, I don't know why I always fail. And here, when closing the AirPods, you feel a bit friction, or what I say, getting hit. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video, in the review video. Goodbye.